Hello and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Lovely, and I'm so happy you are here today. Today, we have a very exciting and practical topic: how to learn English fast at home. We will create an easy, achievable daily routine that will help you see big progress quickly. If you like this discussion, please follow our podcast and share it with a friend. This helps us continue making great free content for you. Let's start. Many students think they need to study English for 5 hours every day. This is not true. The secret to learning fast is consistency. Consistency means studying a little bit every day. We are going to build a short routine. It only takes about 25 focused minutes. A routine should be easy so you never feel too tired to complete it. Our daily routine has 3 simple steps: listen, practice, and review. Step 1. The 15-minute rule. Listen. Let's start with listening. Input is the most important part of language learning. You need to put English into your brain. We call this the 15-minute rule. Every day, you must listen to English dialogue for 15 minutes. Not just music. Listen to speaking. Maybe an easy children's story or a simple news podcast. When you listen, don't try to understand every word. That is too stressful. Your goal is to understand the main idea, just the big picture. Let's try this now. I will read a short, simple phrase. Just listen and tell yourself the main idea. Ready? Listen closely. We went to the park on Saturday. The weather was warm and sunny, so we stayed all day and played soccer. What is the main idea of that phrase? The main idea is they had fun playing outside at the park. Good job! You don't need to know the words sunny or soccer. If you understood went to the park and stayed all day, you understood the main idea. This is success. Remember to follow the 15-minute rule every day. Step 2. The mirror method. Our second step is speaking practice. Many beginners worry about making mistakes, but mistakes are how we learn. So we will practice without any pressure. We call this the mirror method. Why mirror? Because you talk to yourself just like when you look into a mirror. Spend 5 minutes every day describing your world out loud. When you are cooking breakfast, say, "I am making eggs. I need a fork. The coffee smells good." You can also talk about your feelings or your schedule. "Today I feel tired. I must go to the bank later." These sentences are short and simple. Use the words you already know. This might feel silly at first, but the mirror method is so useful. You activate your speaking muscles and practice making English sentences fast. Try to make a sentence before you do the action. For example, before you stand up, say, "I will stand up now." As you sit down, "Now I am sitting down." You are doing great. Keep using the mirror method for 5 minutes of low-pressure speaking practice. Step 3. Study 5 new words. Review. The third and final step of our fast learning routine is vocabulary review. We must be strict here. You will only choose 5 new words or 5 new phrases every day, just 5. Studying 20 words is overwhelming. You will forget most of them. Studying just 5 words allows you to focus and remember them better. When you find your 5 new words, don't just read the definition. The key is to use them actively. Create 3 simple sentences for each new word. Let's practice with the word fantastic. This means great or wonderful. Listen to my examples. Sentence 1. The concert was fantastic. Sentence 2. You did a fantastic job on the test. Sentence 3. I feel absolutely fantastic today. Did you notice? The word fantastic changed places in the sentence. When you write your own sentences, you teach your brain how to use the word naturally. This is how the vocabulary sticks. Let's quickly recap our easy 25-minute daily routine to learn English fast. Number 1, the 15-minute rule. Listen for 15 minutes to understand the main idea. Number 2, the mirror method. Practice speaking to yourself for 5 minutes. Number 3, study just 5 new words by writing 3 sentences for each. If you follow these 3 steps consistently, your progress will speed up tremendously. Consistency is the difference between slow learning and fast learning. You can learn English fast. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Lovely, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Goodbye for now, and keep practicing.